Hey everybody, this is Brad from ShadowTrader.net, and I wanted to talk about a quick chart here, the Russell. We got a triple top here, and as the name of the video implies, is this going to be resistance or is it going to be new support? And as you can see, I mean, we did kind of break up and over the prior highs, roughly back in February and then back in, kind of the mid to end of July. Then, of course, we made 52-week lows down here. And then, obviously the market's been on a tear. We're up about, I don't know, 23, 24%, something like that from the lows. And obviously when the market is in kind of melt up mode and you hit some prior resistance like this, generally I'd be looking for kind of the rollback over. But because this market is so, gamed to the upside, if you will, and everyone's so euphorically bullish, this resistance might now become support. So I think you just need to kind of wait and see. Like the 2005 to 2009 is the area that I'm looking at. I mean, the Russell obviously went a little bit above that not too long ago. When you see the high from yesterday, we went to 2039, which was a beautiful pop. But I have to reference, these highs here. And right now, obviously, the Russell is at 2007. So, that's what I want you to think about, right? I mean, is the market going to tack on to the nice 23, 24% gain from these lows? And all of a sudden, the 2005 to 2009, which could be resistance, might now be new support. So we'll wait and see what the market does, into the end of the year. But if the small caps and the S&P and the NASDAQ hold any kind of pullbacks, as long as the 2005 to 2009 holds, could be buyable. And you can obviously trade Russell futures or the IWM, things like that. But that's really what I want you to pay attention to, folks. Will the Russell triple top be resistance, or will it come and become new support? All right. Have a good one. Happy holidays, everybody, and we'll see you soon. Hey, everybody. This is Brad Agonis with ShadowTrader.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, you can check us out, ShadowTrader.net/squawk. And if you want to trade live with myself or any of the other Shadow Trader moderators, sign up, give us a try. Take care, good luck trading, and see you soon.